In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse interactions and animations for elements in Webflow, specifically focusing on buttons. Imagine having two identical buttons on your web page. One button boasts a captivating animation when clicked, while the other remains static without any animation. Our goal today is to enliven both buttons with that exciting animation, and I'll show you exactly how to accomplish this. To begin, it's crucial to ensure that both buttons belong to the same class. If you're looking at the button that already has an animation applied, you might notice that it's labeled with a class name like Button1. However, if you glance over at the button without the animation, you might see it has a different class name, such as Button1Copy. To sync their animations, we need to align these class names. You have two options here. You can change the class of the second button to match Button1, or you can simply add Button1 as an additional class for the non-animated button. Now that we've aligned or added the class, let's revisit our first button, the one with the animation. It's time to dive into the interactions. Navigate to the Interactions panel, where you'll spot the element trigger labeled as a mouse click. Click on this to edit it. What you're going to do here is look for the section at the bottom where you can apply the trigger across the entire class. By selecting this option, you allow the animation to extend its reach to every element sharing this class, meaning both of our buttons will now be animated. With that alteration completed, it's time to preview your hard work. Go ahead and test the buttons. You'll find that both of them now share the same interactive animation, adding that extra layer of engagement to your site. This method isn't just limited to buttons, by the way. Once you learn to apply class-based animations, the possibilities for reusing interactions across different elements become nearly endless. And there you have it. That's all. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Remember, having consistent animations not only makes your site look more polished, but also provides a smoother experience for your users. Keep exploring Webflow's features, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on enhancing your web design skills. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy designing.